In this tutorial, we will configure the Crawleo MCP server in n8n. First, open your browser and go to crawleo.dev. Sign into your account or create a new one if you have not already. Once you are logged in, head over to the dashboard and click on API Keys. Now create a new API key by giving it a name and copy this API key. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. Now open n8n and create a new workflow. Now add chat trigger as a first step and connect the AI agent with it. Now connect a chat model with an AI agent. Now click on the chat model from AI agent, then search for Google Gemini chat model and select it. And now click on the tool from AI agent, then search for the MCP Client tool and select it. Now write this URL here. Then an important step, server transport should be HTTP. Now in authentication, select Bearer Auth and now create new credentials. And now paste your API key here and click Save Above. Now let's test it by typing in chat, what is the GTA 6 release date? Use Crawleo MCP. And now it will use the Crawleo MCP server to search for the GTA 6 release date. As you can see, and here it is, Crawleo MCP server working in n8n.